So it's evening here. It's 7:30 and I wanted to make a very quick little video to say hello for Wednesday and show you my gift that I've wrapped. It's very heavy. Do you see the little bit of purple? Now, I'm not entirely happy. What I think I want to do is go and buy some purple flowers and edge them around the top box where it meets the cookbook, so it looks like a cake. Some little purple soft flowers to put around here. I haven't attached anything yet. And do you like it askew like that? Because I wanted it to look like a wedding cake, and it's not, because this is too thin. But oh well, it is what it is. And I had to put some purple in. And I'm going to stick them all together so that it's tiered. And this one, I think I'm going to put a ring of little tiny flowers around it. Or, yeah, I think little tiny flowers, I'm going to get them tomorrow. So that's the box. The bird I'm going to attach right now. It's a little clip from my deck, and if you're really, really quick, at the very beginning of the video that I'm going to attach right here, when you see the post on the deck, down at the bottom, you see a little paw sticking out, and it's the chipmunk that's just going to climb up that main post. You have to be very quick to catch it. And the last thing I'm going to show you today, there was the box and the bird and now the bag. Here is what I wanted to buy. That's a lug bag. It's soft-sided, it's got wheels, it's got a trolley handle, and it's beautiful. It's purple. Did you see that it's purple? That's what I wanted, but they're expensive. This is what I got. It's conservative, it's handy, it's got a nice big bag. You can't see a thing because it's dark in here, but it's just a simple little bag. It will fit under the seat in the airplane. See, that's what I got. So it was marked $195, and it was $75 off, 75% off, excuse me, and I paid $45. That's like free to me. I did have one more thing, but I'm going to save it for tomorrow, so I have something to talk about tomorrow. Must write it down because I will forget. I'm telling you. That's it, that's all.